this is your Surya here, and today we're gonna unbox the Sky Phantom FPV drone that I received as a gift from my dad's friend for my birthday. When I researched about this drone, I found out that this can be bought in many online websites such as Walmart or Amazon with a price of $40. However, don't compare this with advanced drones because this is on the toy side and is recommended for beginners and kids. So now let's dig into some of the features. Some of these features you'll find in this drone are also features you will find in advanced drones, such as a Wi-Fi transmission, 360-degree flip, and also an app control. So let's look at the back of this box. As you can see in this picture, this does include a remote control inside the box and also a smartphone, but the smartphone is not included in the box. So let's talk more about the app. The app is called SimaFly or SimaFly, however you want to pronounce it. And depending on what type of phone you have, you could scan this on the QR and it'll lead you right to the app and download it. So now let's look at what's inside this box. We got a huge package here. Okay, so this is our drone. This is our drone over here. Let's take that out. Place it over here. So we'll take a quick look at that. Okay. This is the remote control, as I was talking about before. And this does include 4 AA batteries that you will have to attach over here that we already did. So let's place that aside. Next, we got the phone attaching clamp that will go like snap into the remote control, just like that. It's very easy. And then last but not least, we got our battery charger. So by the way, this is our battery. They are not the batteries you will like AA batteries, but this is already ready-made and it will be right in your box next to this USB port. So I have already charged it, but I just want to show you how to. Just slide it in and it should make a snap noise. And you can charge it into a USB port and leave it to charge for about a few hours and it should be charged by then. Let's take that out, put that in. Okay, now let's put this back in the drone. Okay, let us now open up the SimaFly app. Depending on what drone you have, swipe to where you have it. This should say unconnected. So let's go back to our drone here and hold this button right next to the battery and this light should blink. Okay, so now press connect and this should change to this. And once it's connected, we can go back and press start. This is the camera view. So now let's connect it to our So just attach it onto the phone clamp and you should see your screen. Before you start flying your drone, I want to show you something. This box provides 6 instructions. Please read this before you start flying. And based on these instructions, we'll start flying the drone. Now let's look at how to fly the drone. That's how you go up and down. And so let's try it again.